Perspective Therapeutics, or CATX, is ripping higher on unusually heavy volume and has climbed to the top of multiple trending stock lists as momentum traders and retail communities pile into what many believe is a developing short squeeze setup. Despite the absence of brand new headline fundamentals, the stock's sharp move reflects a powerful mix of revived narrative interest, technical breakout dynamics, and elevated speculative appetite. Bulls are openly floating higher near term price targets and even buyout speculation, while skeptics warn that CATX's history of sharp reversals raises questions about how durable the move is without a fresh catalyst. The latest leg higher was fueled by renewed attention on the company's January 14 presentation at the 44th Annual J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference, which appears to have been rediscovered by traders scanning for overlooked biotech momentum plays. During the presentation, CEO Thijs Spoor emphasized accelerated patient recruitment in the phase 1/2A trial of the company's lead radiopharmaceutical candidate 212P VMT-α-NET, which targets neuroendocrine tumors. Management also laid out strategic priorities for scaling both clinical development and manufacturing capacity through mid 2026, reinforcing confidence in the company's long term platform ambitions. This narrative builds on interim data presented earlier this month at the ASCO Gastrointestinal Cancer Symposium, January 8th to 10th, where CATX reported encouraging early safety and efficacy signals. While the data itself isn't new, traders appear to be reframing it as validation of the company's targeted alpha therapy approach, especially amid growing enthusiasm for radiopharmaceuticals across oncology. From a market structure perspective, the reaction was explosive. CATX surged 37.89% intraday during regular trading hours, with volume exceeding 4.5 million shares, multiple times its recent daily average. The influx of buying pressure pushed the stock decisively above a key technical resistance zone around $2.89, triggering momentum algorithms, breakout traders, and stop losses from short sellers. With a reported short float of 13.32%, the setup has added fuel to short squeeze speculation as traders anticipate forced covering if price strength persists. That said, not everyone is convinced. More cautious voices point out that CATX has a track record of sharp, sentiment driven swings, and note that the current move is still largely rooted in trading dynamics rather than a definitive clinical inflection point or partnership announcement. For these observers, the sustainability of the rally hinges on whether follow through volume and new catalysts emerge, or whether enthusiasm fades once the momentum trade becomes crowded. In short, CATX's surge reflects a classic biotech momentum cocktail: recycled but credible clinical updates, improving technicals, elevated short interest, and a retail crowd eager to press the gas. Whether this evolves into a longer term re rating or fades into another volatility episode will likely depend on what comes next, either in the clinic or on the tape.
Okay, this is its weekly chart. On the line trend, I think is just neutral. Here on this weekly chart, this trend it has is expected to remain in place up till the 2nd of March. After that, there might be some contraction, and then the uptrend may resume. The 40-week moving average is also expected to continue to extend. And on this weekly chart, projections are saying 5.74, 7.19, 8.08. It printed an intraday high of 6.16 today. Huge volumes over. I mean, you had in that readout 4 million shares is now over way more than that 59.357 million shares and counting. Okay. Let's see what we have on its daily chart. Yes, the stock is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bullish trend. High prices equally expected to continue to print at least up till the 9th of February. After that, there might be a contraction, and then the uptrend is expected to resume thereafter. The 40-day moving average is equally expected to continue to rise as well. Momentum is expected to remain strong up till Tuesday, the 3rd of February. Then after that, we're looking at the prospects of it weakening, which is natural. Yeah, it's supposed to. I mean, you can imagine that it went from the lows of around when it was losing $1.87 every day to where it is right now. That is the momentum, uh, indicating that it's now gaining $9.4 every day. So obviously they can't sustain that. It will always fizzle out. So that's what's being extrapolated there. You also heard in the readout that there's a key technical resistance at $2. You can see here. You can see the stock was at various times it tried. It never got beyond this. From the 11th of December, consolidated around that range between 2.58 and 2.89, consolidated around there up till 8th of January, actually broke down, and then it has just been able to break through now. Even these resistances around here as well, it has actually breached them. I would say between 3.05 and 3.05 and 3.95. It had these two resistances being able to break through. So we could also have a look at the market grid. It might also give us these resistances may reflect there, or they may not. So this is the market grid, but it's not the stock is not aligning with it, because this extent this rally is still very fresh. So I think we may have to look at the 1 hour chart. There's a chance we may not have aligned here as well. Okay, it has. So we have here. Remember, we have 6.19 intraday high. So yeah, this is at the premium to it. So the range it has the potential to trade is between 6.54 and 3.86. Okay, so we don't have any of those. Yeah, we have them. Yeah, we have those. They are not those. Yeah, those prices are now, those resistances, those key resistances are now supports 2.86, 2.69. Yeah, and then 2.78. They'll now support. If it pulls back to such levels, it might actually get a bounce. But well, on this 1 hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that it might begin to contract towards Monday, the 2nd of February. So right now it's at 4.97. This is where it is right now. Does it have any immediate support here? Not really. Not really as such. Well, it has some. We could say these ones are between 4.88. Yeah, between 4.17 and 4.88 for 4.88. But I would even prefer to see something better than something a lot more tighter than what we have in terms of supports here. Yeah, so yeah, that's the stock is currently trending, showing an immense amount of strength. Yeah, let's see. We could even have something else, something different on its 2 hour chart in terms of market grid. Yeah, here we have the contraction is saying that it may remain in place. This contraction may remain in place up till the pre-market session of tomorrow. Then after that, it might resume. Here we have 6.41, between 6.41 and $4. I doubt if we're going to see anything on a 3 hour chart. Yes, we do. We do. We have a range here between 609 and 4.11. So yeah, just see what you make of CATX, and thank you very much for watching this video.